With Guyanese heading to the polls on September 1 for general and regional elections, Attorney General and Minister of Legal Affairs Anil Nandlall has issued a strong warning. Speaking during his weekly program Issues in the News, he stated that any individual who obstructs a citizen's right to vote or misleads voters on election day will be prosecuted under the Representation of the People's Act, ROPA.
So those who are being encouraged to create these kinds of obstructions and interference, this is what the law lays out very clearly. And this will be the consequence that will flow from your action.
The Attorney General was responding to comments reportedly made by opposition leader Obstruction, who stated that he would advise his party's polling agents not to allow individuals speaking foreign languages to vote on elections day.
Now that's a highly irresponsible and reckless statement for a political leader to make. We have a history in Guyana of misbehavior, let me put it that way, at elections time, both by political parties and their supporters, as well as by officials who are manning the electoral machine.
Nandlall emphasized that no electoral system in the world disqualifies a voter based on language. He said Guyana's democracy is built on inclusion and fairness, and any effort to suppress legitimate voters would not go unpunished.
Anyone who thinks that they can get persons to obstruct and interfere with electors who are registered and who are qualified to vote from exercising their right to vote, well, they have legal consequences of a highly punitive nature that will come their way.
He cited Section 78 of the Representation of the People's Act, which criminalizes interference in various stages of the voting process, from obstructing access to polling stations to interfering with election officials or ballot counting.
Then such a person shall be liable on a summary conviction to a fine of $5 million, together with imprisonment for a term of 3 years.
Tiana reporting for the HGP Night 3 News.